Hey guys, it's John from Primeaux, and in case you don't know, Primeaux is a small independent knife shop in Knoxville, Tennessee. We're family owned, family run. It's just me and my friends and my family. We're here making some of the best kitchen knives in the world made right here in the United States. And today I'm going to talk to you about our Kiritsuke. So this is a 7-inch Japanese-inspired knife that is one of our most popular designs, and it's super handy for really anything that you're doing in the kitchen. It has a little bit of a flatter profile to the edge, so it gives you a little bit more area for pull cuts and for push cuts. Really great for cutting into cuts of meat or vegetables alike. Super handy. We also call this knife the K-tip, which is short for the Kiritsuke. And so it gets that name from this sort of sloped, angled front edge. Often in Japan, these knives are made with a single bevel, but ours is offered with a double bevel and with a distal taper. So it kind of tapers from a thicker area back here at the heel all the way to a very fine tip that's very surgical. We offer this knife in 2 different finishes, so we have either the Austin Damascus, as shown here, or we offer it in the stonewash finish, just like this one. Our Damascus steel is a 73-layer Austin stainless steel. So this has a nice raindrop pattern to it that shows all the layers of the metal. The layered Damascus is about the same performance as the stonewash, but it gives you a really nice aesthetic difference that really just elevates your knife and sets it apart from all the other knives that you might have in your knife roll. Conversely, we also have the stonewash finish, which is just a monosteel. So this is made out of a single steel. It's the same metal as used in the Damascus, only just one single layer. Something else that's great about this Austin stainless steel is that it not only gets razor sharp, but it's also highly corrosion resistant. So you're not gonna have to worry about the same maintenance that you might have to worry about on most K-tip knives that are made from a carbon steel, which is very susceptible to rust and corrosion. As with all of our Primeaux knives, we have a multitude of bolster and handle options. So here you can see I have the aged brass bolster, which offers a little bit more counterweight to the knife, or we have the anodized aluminum bolster. We have a multitude of handle options as well. So this one here is one of our custom black palm wood handles. Now all of our woods are fully stabilized, so that means that they're going to hold up a lot better than most of your standard wood handle knives. Or we have some synthetic options such as this Jade G10, which is super durable and offers a little more weight for those that want a little bit more back end balance on the knife. Now, depending on what handle and what bolster option you want, the knife is going to balance a little bit different in your hand. You can see that the wood handle is a little bit lighter weight, balances just a little bit behind the pinch here, while the G10 is just a little bit heavier and balances just a little bit further back. So this is a really cool handle that you can also get on your K-tip. This is our Farmhouse Ripple handle. Now, I designed this knife because I really wanted to create something that had the feeling of a hand-thrown mug, that had something very human, very tactile. And so there's just very small ridges along. This is a wood handle with a bronze bolster on it. And it just feels really great in the hand. It has great grip, and it has this really cool old world kind of look to it. We have really unlimited options as far as what handles we can do. So this handle is a really unique one. It's a one-off handle that's made from scraps of Fordite, which is actually old car paint that builds up on the factory walls. And then as I was machining it, I saved all the little chips, and then we cast that into resin and made a new handle out of it. Another cool K-tip that we have here is this one, which features tuya burl, which is a Moroccan cedar wood. Now this wood is naturally antibacterial, it repels water and moisture very well, and it has a really nice matte kind of look to it. And we've paired it up here with our bronze antique bolster and our 73 layer Austin stainless steel Damascus. So with all of our Primeaux knives, we do what's called a hidden tang construction. So with that, the tang of the knife actually comes down to almost the end of the handle, but you can see it's fully encapsulated in the handle, so you're not gonna have to worry about the scales separating from the blade because we just have one nice big mass of material here for the handle. Something else we do with all of our Primeaux knives to make them really comfortable to use is we do a rounded spine as well as a rounded choil here underneath, so that when you're cutting with the knife, it's going to be nice and comfortable in your hand no matter what position you're in. And even if you're holding it for a really long time, it's going to feel good. It's not going to rub you raw in some weird way. Another feature on our K-tip knife is the signature Primeaux pinch grip bolster. Now this is something that took us years to design, taking inspiration from classic cars, classic motorcycles, Art Deco design, and it's not only beautiful, but it's also very functional. It helps you slide your hand right up into the perfect position so you can easily grab onto the knife and hold it in this pinch grip position so that you can have really good control over the blade. So something that's really great about our Primeaux knives is that we're able to offer all the features of a custom knife, but in a lower price point that you find more commonly with production series knives. So our Damascus K-tip knife starts at around $400 and goes up depending on the appointments that you have, such as the bolster and the handle materials. And our monosteel knife starts around $300, which is a super great deal, especially for something you're going to use every day for the rest of your life. Whichever way you want to go, whether it's the Damascus K-tip or the monosteel K-tip, either one is going to be an excellent choice for your kitchen. So if you'd like to learn more about our Primeaux Kiritsuke K-tip knives, just go to our website, which is www.primeaux.us, and you can check them out there.